Hello guys, welcome back. I'm Andrea, and tonight we are going to do something different from previous times we've been together. So last time we saw the Advent of Code exercises with the Go programming language. And for tonight, I'm going to work on this repo, which is the Latina Tech website. Latina Tech is a community that was built by me, was founded by me last year. And yeah, at this time right now, we are 400 more members. We are from Italy, from near Rome, Latina, and we have the next event coming up the next week, so Tuesday. And yeah, for tonight we are gonna work on this website and adding practically we are working on this issue. So it's based on a previously merged PR, and this PR added. Oh, sorry, we don't really see well. This PR added an event page. So if I click on an event, I should, yeah. This is an event page, and we want to add in this event page. So this is the previously merged PR, which added basically the event page. For this new issue here, we want to fix comments on the merged PR. And we want to implement the to-do from the same PR. So add the event gallery with photos and add event slides link. Yeah, we want to improve the page, of course. And here we can find a link with all the previous events slides. Sorry, it's in Italian, but I will voice over what I'm doing here so you can understand. Basically, these are all the events, the past events for Latina Tech. And we want to attach to each event, which is on the website. Here we can see all the events, and we want to attach each event to the right slides with all speakers and PDF or all slides. I don't know if the format is the same. This is PDF. Yep. So yeah, let's do that. I have the repository downloaded, right? I done npm install. Let's do npm run dev. Okay. So this is the localhost. So NextJS. Oh, the website is in NextJS, and we are now serving it locally with npm run dev. which is a script that you can find here in the package.json, we are basically running NextDev. And besides that, the structure of this website, this repository, is basically we have the events markdown with all the information about the events in this events folder, and the name of the event is the ID of it. So when you click on an event here, slow, it's building. So when you click on an event, you can see in the, oh, you cannot really see, but maybe right now you can. We have basically the URL, the ID is part of the URL. So this website is also mobile friendly. Of course, it's not optimized by some designer, but it is mobile friendly because it will resize this content based on the pixels of the screen. Yeah, as you can see. Maybe for now we're just leaving it as desktop. So let me wanted to just put it right here. Yeah. So let's remove this. Okay. So we can have the console right here. We can resize it. It's more comfortable. Okay. So let's see what the issue tell us. Add event gallery with photos and add event slides link. Okay, maybe we can create a new branch. So we have a new terminal, git status. We are on main, of course. We want to create a new branch starting from this. So follow up event page, which is the name of the issue. And we are ready. So first of all, we want to add the slides to the events. To do that, maybe we can add we have already the speakers object. So for each speaker we want to have the link of the slides, right? So maybe we can just add the slides to the speaker object. So each speaker will have its own slide field. Or it can also not have the slides because maybe the speaker did not publish the slides. But we can have a nullable field, slides, and here we can, for now, just we have it right here. Yeah, not LinkedIn, but PDF. Okay. For this one, we don't have slides, I can remember. For this one, I think that we have slides for this. Yeah. Copy link. We come back here and add slides. Okay. And I think that's all for this particular element, because I can remember we have more slides. Yes. Okay, so let's open it in our locally served environment. Let's find it. It is the oldest one. So we should scroll down here. Okay. Expect a double quote property name in JSON, position 155. Let's see. So what's the problem here? JSON parse. Maybe he's complaining about the fact that we didn't add in the model here speaker. Yeah, we have a new field, which is slides. Let's try again. Expect a double quoted property name JSON. Let's see if it's cache error. It is not. So where is the error? 25 of level slack. Pages. So the structure, the structure of this repository is basically we have events here, okay, and then we have the public assets, which are the basic assets when you serve the NextJS. And in this case, we have all the images. So for sponsors, speakers, events, admin, and we have the favicon, thinking about the site manifest, etc. And then we have this src folder, which contains almost all the application. And in here we have the types, which is just the creation of modules. Then we have components, which are basically React components that we reuse all over the application. Model that will contain the structure of our entities, so we can define which property the event has, or the speaker, or yeah, basically this, or feedback, because we have a feedback page. The navigation contains the link. the links to our Telegram, our Twitter, our LinkedIn, etc. So the pages contains the NextJS routes. I can say routes, yes. So when you ask for a page, NextJS will look into this folder, and based on the URL, we'll give you one of this page, and inside one of this page, there will be the basically the React components, and you may call the components which are in this other folder and reuse it. For the service part, we have the Firebase config, and yeah, so this save.ts will save the feedback, etc. Let's come to this error that we had. Got a double quoted property name in JSON, position level 18. So at row 25 in the pages events slug 25, it's complaining about this. Let's see what error K is. Let's print this. Maybe this printing here, yes. Oh, it's because yeah, I didn't put the double quote here, of course. Let's try again. Okay. Okay. So, first of all, where do we want to show the slides? I think a good option for us is to show it here. So we have the description of the event, and maybe after that we want to show the link of the slides for each speaker. Yeah, let's try that. Or maybe even better, we can have another object here, because maybe it's easier to have another slides object here. And we can do like that. So for each slide object, we want to have a URL, which is this one, and we want to have speaker name, currency, and we want to have a title for the presentation. Oh, again, double quotes. So title for the presentation in this case was, I think something like community introduction. Yeah, introduzione alla community, which is Italian for introduction to community. And I think that's all for the slide subject. We can copy this and have another one, which the speaker name slides is this one, and speaker name is this thing, and title, which was this one. Okay, so we have a new field in the event structure, which is lights. And we can do another export interface slides title. Yeah, we have URL, string, title, string, and speaker name, string. Then we have slides, which for now we can leave an array of string, but maybe later we can already format it as an array of these slides. Okay, so after that, when you go to slacks here, you can discard this change. Yeah, it's doing nothing. Right. And after that, we do the same, really same thing, but with these slides. Slides object. Dot slides, dot map. Okay, and we said that we want to print the slides at this level. So after event description, so this is the section where we print. We are printing the speakers. So this is for speakers. This is for the event description, which is the one we should change. And inside that, we have also rendered event image. So first of all, this project is using Tailwind. I don't know if it's something that you recognize, but the project is this one. And it's basically something like Bootstrap CSS. It's basically you use the classes from them, and you are not needing, you're not going to need any other CSS feature, because basically they give you out of the box everything you need. And it's practically a good option if you don't want to have multiple CSS files. It's a good project, and it's optimized too. So the final CSS package is optimized, and you won't need to do other things to optimize it. Maybe you can create custom class to personalize something, but working really well off the box, my honest opinion. So let's do to the docs, and here this page is basically my reference whenever I need something. Just search here. Maybe you are going to put some opacity to your div, and here this is the classes that you can use. Maybe border color, it's coming with pretty much good set of colors out of the box. So for this project right here, we're gonna need a div, another div, because this one is flex column. So basically creating two row for the same column, unless it is MD. So MD is special classes for Tailwind that enables the following classes only if the screen size is measured than MD, and MD is a constant, which basically means you have bigger than tablet size of window. So the div will contain our event description and our slides object rendered. And to do that, maybe we want to create a component, because itself is a good way to divide things. So inside the event, let's create event slides.tsx. This is a new component. You can copy an old component to make sure we are not declaring it wrong. And then we rename it. event slides. Here we want just the slides. Slides. Okay. The structure in it to have only the slides, and to be sure, for now we are going to just print it. So we want to have can do something like that. Or you want a key. So the key is just the URL from the slide. Select title. Yep. Okay. And we are calling it in our main page. So we have this slide object, right? And we can simply pass it to this new component. We can event slides here, passing it. Okay, so we have a choice here, or this, or we don't print the components when the slides object is not present, or maybe we could do something like this, having a nullable property here, but it doesn't make much sense because we want to print the slides only if there are something to print, right? So we do just like that. So when we are in this component, in new component, we assume that the slides are present. And this new div can be something like class name flex, of course, and maybe flex call, because we want to render one element after another vertically and not horizontally. Let's try that. Okay, it's not working. Object is not by JSON. Perfect. Oh, right, because we are not parsing the new field, and we are parsing the fields. Let's see, in the get static props, yeah. So NextJS has this server-side rendering, and we want to parse the events in this particular period when NextJS is rendering the page server-side. So let's say this get event function here is reading from the event paths, which is this folder here, matter, which is a front matter function, data content. Okay. I recall that we have such attributes in which we kind of filter the front matter. Maybe I dreamt of it. Okay, maybe this is. Maybe this is it. Get items. Get event. Level fields. Okay. So this is the array of the fields that we should search for. We add this, but I could continue to see errors. Continue to see errors. So object is not JSON again. I think that there are mistakes right now. Slides, sticker. Maybe he didn't like this. You have to put the new lines.
Right.
So let's print event slides to see what elements are in. And which of this one is not a valid JSON? Cannot see any error. We add the printing here. let's add some space, because otherwise we can't really know which is the error. So right at the first one, become the blocks. Are there any differences here? Don't think so. So why this is working and this is not? Must be something really, really silly. But you know, it's always like that. Oh, I see. So we did not put this single quote here. Maybe it's not recognized as JSON. Let's try again. Let's try again. Okay. And we have our beautiful URLs. So maybe now we want to add some styling. Let's see the mobile. Okay. Okay. It's working nice. So let's add maybe a title here to say that these are the slides, and so yeah, something like that. Maybe some margin here. So to add margin between one element and another, so we want to add. Let's do like that. So we have this one, this one. Yeah, it's nice. So to add space between this element, which is the, I don't know if I can select it. Yeah, this one. So this one is the event description, which is generated by this component invocation. So if I comment this, right here, I cannot see the description anymore, right? And we said we want it, of course, but we can add some gap between the two when we have flex, display flex active. we can do F4. And as you can see, we have a nice space here. So now, working on the event slides, margin top of 12 is maybe too much. We can do of 4. I think 4 is enough. Maybe 6. Okay. And this is GitHub Copilot generated code. I don't know if it fits with our use case. What we can do is just make a tags like these ones. So to do that, maybe we want to print also the speaker name here. Speaker name. Oh. Followed by a dash. Okay. This can work. And yeah, let's try to add this nice effect. So we want to put we want to change background, of course. So to change background, I think that we can do something like BG white. Yeah, but we don't want it to be white. We want it to be oh, keep in mind that we are in dark theme here. We can choose between light and dark. So we should support it between the two. We should support both. So let's come back. Let's come back and let's add VG slate, which is basically gray. Slate of 700, which I think was you can do even 800. No, 800 is too much. So we're 600 is too, maybe 700 is okay. And to this we add a border radius. So to do that, let's go tailwind, border radius. We need the number full because we want to set like a circle. Okay, set a circle. And after that we want some padding because right now the letters are kind of floating around the background, so we want some padding, maybe just horizontal padding, so padding X, maybe some vertical too, be wide too, and we want the text to be centered. Okay, looking nicer. And maybe we want to, yeah, that's white. Font semi-bold should work. Yes. Can work. Yeah, let's see how it work. It look when it's light. Oh, not working at all, I think. Okay, so this background is just for dark mode, and also text white is also just for dark mode. But for light mode, we want to have the G slate a bit more lighter. So let's try with 400. I think that works. Yeah. And yeah, block text can work too. Block text can work. Let's see. So if we put dark, this is it. Put light, this is it. Okay. Let's try it. Okay. Maybe we want to have the link working on all the background. So to do that, we don't want the A tag be just around the text, but we want a link component from, so essentially from NextJS. We want a link, NextJS link, and we just put everything inside it. So the key is something related to parent, and href something inside link to. So we have all the backgrounds selectable, and with the link that is active. Okay. We can get rid of the idle edition faded because, okay, expect the server to contain match should be in A. Oh, I see. So we want to have legacy behavior here. Yeah. And then we want to add this A tag. Let's see if it works also without the A. Can't remember. Yeah. Yeah, so it works without the A, so we just want to make it we just want to add cursor pointer here Yeah, and it will work. So guys, this is just a workaround because NextJS link work in a weird way, and if you have other component, other tag inside it, it will generate a mess essentially. So let's get rid of the console.log that we had here. I think that we had this. We can get rid of it. And also get rid of brackets. We don't need them. We understood the problem. And so we have the slides link. We can add a sort of animation when the user hovers on the element. To do that, we should use hover keyword, and after this special keyword, we can add the class that we want to be active when the user goes over it. So we want to light a bit the background. So if we are in the light case, because we are not in the dark case, and we were at legislate 400. Maybe we want to make it 200, but 200 can work. Let's try with 300. Yeah, it's better. It's better. I think it's better. Yeah. So we have it for the light one. For the dark one is too light, too much light. So to do that, dark over. It is a very nice way of chaining keywords in Tailwind. I love Tailwinds, guys. It's very nice. Very nice. So we had 700 here. You can do 600. But then the text white is not readable anymore. So you can do dark over, and we can change text color. Maybe text late 300. Let's try. No, definitely no. Maybe more dark, 600. It is okay. It can work. Yeah. Okay. So right now we should just maybe since we have React icons here, maybe we want to add a little icon before the slide element. Yeah, it can be good. So let's try, just for reference, this one, which is LinkedIn one. Of course, we don't want LinkedIn, but just to have an overview of it. Yes, LinkedIn. Okay, we should we should adjust it a bit, but I think it's good enough. So instead of P, maybe it's better to have a div here. Okay. And then we have this icon and a P paragraph. Just to make it, just to make the structure look a bit better. So for now we should, first of all, we can move all the text related classes inside the P element to not have it, oh no, wait. Actually, the text white, text slate, something is changing color also of the right of the icon, so we cannot do that. Maybe we can just move the text center class. I think this can work. Press a pointer and full. We cannot move anything else. Okay. And for now, so now we should center the elements. To do that, we can do something like item center, and this, if I remember correctly, item center, not place item center, but align items. Yeah, item center. Align item center. And there was justify center, which I think that's better, because one will justify center will align the content in the flex direction, and align items will align content or maybe it's the contrary, but one will align item in the flex direction and one on the y-axis. Let's say so. Specify center. Let's try again. Not working for some reason. Align items too. Not even this. So specify content. And align items. Maybe I'm missing something. We want this to be before the dark and over keywords. So just to be, let's EG red, EG F00 over here. Okay. Oh, it's just because it is not a flex. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so guys, so what was going on here? Because the items, align items, flex start, align items, center, or even the justify content will work only if the flex and grid items, only with flex and grid, and we didn't have flex. Now it is working. We can even put a gap. The icon is still not centered. Hello, Debro. So we are working on a website, and this website is basically a community website. Let me show you the live version. Sorry, it's in Italian, but essentially this is a community I founded last year, and I need to work a bit on the event page. So we basically organize events monthly based, and we are calling some hosts to make them present something. So speakers come and talk about everything tech related. And this is the website for Latina Tech, which is the name of the community. And here you can see the event page, and I'm working a bit on this event page, adding the slides for each presentation. This is the live version, and this is the version I'm working on, adding this section essentially. Do they want more Latin language in tech or more hot Hispanic moment? So Latina, which is basically the city I'm from, is not related to Latina intended as Latin American, but is a city near Rome in Italy. So when we started this community, we had such much connections that believed firmly that we were from South America, essentially. But we are quite a big community right now. We have 450 members on Telegram. You can find us on LinkedIn too. We enjoy it. Yep. So right now I'm working on centering this because I added this is a NextJS project anyway. I added this. The events are in MDX format. So in the front matter, of each event, I added this slides object, and here you have the JSON for the slides. So each slides have URL, speaker name, title, and here I'm essentially rendering them. And now the problem here is centering this icon, which won't be recentered. So we have a flex, and inside we have a React icon and another paragraph. So add some gap so you can see gap maybe 4. 4 is too much, 2 is okay. Justify center, maybe justify baseline will work better. I think not. Center is better. Align baseline. Okay. It's not better than before, but let's see if we can find a hero icon. No, not hero icons actually, but real icons. So slides, maybe we can find just a screen. Yeah, this one, I like this one. This one is better. That's it. Oh, it is small. Too small. Maybe I can pass a size to it. I was not passing a size, so let me check other icons that we use in this project. Oh, I see. So here icons was correct. We are using essentially the hero icons package, so I should change website. Presentation chart line. Don't need this anymore. Okay, maybe now it's too big. I think you can pass aside here, right? Oh yeah, you were using the tailwinds. Size it. Okay. Now it's looking nicer. And actually, I think that's it for the slides. Let's see how it looks with the light mode. Maybe it's a bit too dark. I want to make it so it's here. What I'm doing with this desktop. So this is a little bit too dark. Let's try 300. And for over 200. Not better. A lot better. And it works also in dark mode too. Okay. So I think that for now we should just copy the slides all over the events. So for the second event, let's see what we have. Hit welcome, the source mainstream. Okay. The source mainstream from this guy. And the link, copy link. Then we have this guy. Yeah, right now it's just a copy paste. Name of title is this one. We have another. Comma. Flutter introduction, which was a really nice presentation. I must say that. I don't know why, but the music is gone. The music is coming and going all the time. So for the last one, we have Coding Dojo from Anna Maria, PDF, copy link address. Okay, let's test this event. So we go here and we just run this, and this should work. Okay. Maybe some adding. It makes sense to add. That's it. I don't really like this way of handling the icon. So let's come back here. Maybe we should add the div, and inside we have this, and the div itself is a flex, and items center, which I don't see here, so just eliminate it. Yeah. Now it's a bit better. Okay. So let's test this. Source mainstream. Let's see if this is the right. Yes. Second one. Yes. The third. Okay. And the last one. Perfect. Right now we need this, the other event, so let's copy for reference the object, cost optimization on Google Cloud, 5G and mobile network, Kubecon and Kubernetes. Let's copy also the names. We have here Sergio. Okay, and last but not least, the address for each presentation. Alessio and Gabriele. Let's test this here. 2023 6. Oh, wait. Okay, Quaresima is here, and here we have Kubecon. Let's try again. Okay. Okay. Alessio. Sergio. Okay. And this is it for this event. Let's add right here. And we here have just one speaker. Things are getting easier. The right work relationship. This one was amazing, guys. This presentation was really amazing. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, 33, 06, 39. Okay. And for this one, we had just one slides URL, but the speaker were two, so can just have one link. Delete the other one. And that and this other guy, the name was this one. And the link, I don't remember if I copied it already. Okay. Let's try this 2023 or 922. Yeah. Let's try it with the other. Oh, I think that for this particular event, we didn't have any slides presented. Yeah. So this one, we didn't have any slides. Can have it as so this is the welcome slides that we present every time we add event, so I think we can skip it. And yeah, let me check if there is something more. Maybe we have the one from the last event. Let me check. I don't think it. Don't think so. No, we don't have it. Can we solve the riddle of how to say my last name? Okay. So double Z, you say it Coluzzi, which is like T and S in English. Okay, it's not difficult. So here, I think we are finished because the music is also finished. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we are finished here. We can create DPR. Can create DPR for this. Yes. So fit at event slides, comment and push. Would you like to publish this branch? Of course. And here we have the main repo, compare pull request. So what this PR does, adds slides to event page. Why? Our testing guide, we can skip it. It's a really straightforward task to do. I don't think there's to do. Why? Because we want to improve the event page, etc. Oh, maybe we can take some. Oh, I will rerun it. We can take some snapshots. Wait for it. This is not bad. Screenshots. One. Then we take one for the mobile. Yeah. And maybe one for the lighten. Okay. So attach these files. So one is this, and the other two are this one. Review it. Yeah. You can create a request and wait for other maintainers to review this. So I think for this evening we can finish here. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Deborah. Hoping that you can say Kulusi now. Bye bye. Good night.